Good morning. Are you Claredessa Beal?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Beal is charged with unlawful carrying a weapon on alcohol premises and cause number 26 DCCR 0224. And Mr. Rojas, what is the announcement?
Judge, I'm asking for another announcement date. I don't know if this qualifies, but I'm gonna ask Mr. Canal for pre-trial deliberating in this case.
Okay. Any issues?
No, Judge, we have extended an alternative offer if she's not free for that.
All right. So Ms. Beal, I'm going to reset your case about 30 days or so. So Mr. Rojas can make that request. Stay in touch with him. He'll let you know what he finds out, and then we'll see you back at the next court date.
Yeah, no.
You're free to go.
Oh.
Corbin Rayleigh. Good morning. Are you Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rojas, will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Rayleigh, in cause number 25 DCCR 1482, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. And that's from September 28th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes, guilty, right? Something. Right.
So did you do this?
Did you do it or did you not do it? If you did it, it's guilty. If you didn't do it, then it's not guilty and we have a trial.
I mean, I committed a misdemeanor under that.
The underlying offense is a misdemeanor assault, Judge, because it was in combination with 3 people or more. He feels it should be a misdemeanor, but Mr. Coleman and Mr. Nichols would reduce it.
And you've talked to him about
We have.
what engaging in organized criminal activity means.
We have.
So you've gone over all of this with Mr. Rojas, right?
A little bit, yeah. I just.
All right, I'm going to hold the case. Y'all go talk.
Yeah.
Ask any questions you have of Mr. Rojas.
This is one of those courtroom moments people often misunderstand. The judge isn't telling the defendant how to plead, she's making sure he actually understands the charge before making a life-changing decision. Notice how she pauses the hearing and sends him back to his attorney instead of rushing the process. That's a reminder that in court, understanding your rights can be just as important as the final verdict. What would you do in this situation? Accept a plea deal or take your chances at trial? Let me know in the comments.
He no longer wanted probation, so we made a time offer.
Okay.
There have been some life circumstance changes since between the time that we had entered the plea and present day. And so given the stringent requirements of probation, including those financial requirements, he feels like he would be better served by going ahead and.
Okay. You might have done it, but it didn't come through on the bottom of the Wilkersons. So since we've already gone through the plea,
We
I
have
don't know that
PSI report, Your Honor.
so I can just go through this new paperwork with regard to the new punishment page, but we don't need to get a new plea or anything like that.
I don't
correct?
think so.
No, Your Honor.
Everybody agrees. All right. So you're Richard Couch. And Mr. Couch, you were previously in court and entered a plea of guilty to driving while intoxicated, third or more, in cause number 26 DCCR 0142. When you did that, the agreement was for a 10-year term in prison, but that would be probated and it would be up to me on how long your probation was. And I've got that pre-sentence report, go forward with sentencing today. And as you can hear, it's my understanding that you have come up with a different agreement with regard to your punishment. Is that correct? Mm-hmm. And that is shown here on the documents that you signed with Mr. Wilkerson today on the tablet. And did you go over those with him today with regard to that new agreed punishment recommendation?
Just me.
And you want me to go forward with that today and sentence you in accordance with that agreement?
Yes, ma'am. I just asked if I can get my affairs in order.
We were talking about him maybe reporting Friday at 6 p.m., Judge, but he is ready today if you can.
Well, I mean, so here's the thing. I'm not going to sentence him and then hope he reports, because that becomes a problem if he doesn't, since the case is technically over. So I can reset sentencing for next Monday, or I can sentence him today. But I'm not going to, I can't do the sentencing and then.
Either option's fine with the state, Your Honor.
Judge McCline's indicated that he would like to reset sentencing to next Monday if possible.
So, okay, so state tenders these new documents as exhibit number one, Mr.
No.
Wilkerson.
No objection, Your Honor.
They're admitted. And so here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Couch, and I want to make sure you understand how important this is. I'm going to reset your case to next Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Come in, I'll go through this real quick, get your sentence, and you'll go with the bailiff and start that sentence. If you are arrested for anything between today and next Monday, then it is very unlikely that I will accept this agreement. Things could be much worse. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, if you don't show up next Monday,
Yes, ma'am.
things would obviously be a whole lot worse. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see you back next Monday then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Big excuse.